What's up, you guys? It's Jeff, SJF16, and we have a BlackBerry Bold with AT&T. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the trackball. Alright, first of all, you want to remove the battery. Alright, and there are 6 screws that you want to remove. I already removed 4 out of the 6 just to save us some time. Alright, you want to grab yourself a T5 screwdriver. And I'm sure you can buy one of these online for $1, $2. I'll post a link up for you guys in my description. Alright, I'm going to take out the screws. One. And 2. Alright. Then you want to take off the back housing carefully. There we go. Just take that off and put it to the side. After that, you want to go right here to where the LCD is connected to the chip. You want to gently remove that. And that just pops right off. There we go. Like that. And then afterwards, take the housing off, just like that, and you want to set this off to the side. Flip this over and the trackball is right there. Alright, after that you're going to go ahead and pop this part of it, top part holding the trackball in place. I'm going to pop that off. And it comes off easy. It's pretty there we go. And the trackball just comes off with it. There you go. And today I'm going to be putting in a red trackball. So you're just going to fit that into place, just like that. Goes in there perfectly. And then you're going to take the cover, pop that back into place. Just like that. Perfect. Alright, now you're going to take the housing and you're going to pop this back into place. And just like that. And come back over here where the LCD connects. You're going to pop that back into place. Just like that. Perfect. Alright. And you're going to take the back housing then you're going to pop that right in place. Just like that. Then you're going to take your screws and screw them in individually. And there you go, guys. red trackball. Works perfectly. This phone is broken and is for sale on my eBay, and I'm gonna post a link for you guys in my description for that too. And I'm also gonna post a link to where you can buy a T5 screwdriver if you wanna replace your trackball yourself. And there you go. Thanks for watching.